Today we're going to be doing lesson 16. It's the very last lesson in unit 2. Our learning target for today is to be able to solve addition and subtraction problems within 10. We're going to be looking at some story problems and some animal parks. What do you know about animal parks? Have you ever been to the zoo? Have you noticed how they group the animals together? They put all the elephants in one area, and then they put all the reptiles maybe in another area, so the animals don't live together. Putting things in categories is also a math skill that'll help you later on when you're solving math problems. Let's go to the zoo. I have 4 students with me and 3 more coming. How many will I have in all? So we know that when we're doing math story problems, it's going to be important for us to circle some key words and numbers. So I have 4 students with me, and then 3 more are coming. And how many do I have in all? So we know that we have some, and we're getting some more. So that's going to be an addition problem. So I can go ahead and know that I'm going to be setting up an addition problem. So let's start by drawing our circles. We do circle drawings to help us figure out our math problems. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to begin with. And then I have 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 3 more that are coming to join. And I get those numbers from here and here in the picture. So now that we have our circle drawing, let's do a math equation. 4 and our addition symbol. 3 equals. So when we're adding, we always start with the big number, and we can use our fingers to count up that many spaces. So say 4, 5, 6, 7. The total is 7. 7. What are in the 7 children? It's always important when we're doing word problems to include that label. 7 children. All right, so 7 children. We know that's how many are going to the zoo. So let's continue on and see what we see when we go to the zoo. So let's start at the duck pond first. There are 5 ducks were at the pond, and 3 jumped in the water for a swim. How many are left? How will we know whether we're doing an addition or a subtraction word problem? Boys and girls, that's going to be important for you to listen and go ahead and visualize that story in your mind. So look at the picture. We know that they started with 5, and then some jumped in. So we're taking away from that total. So that tells us that this is going to be a subtraction story. We have 5 ducks and 3 jump in. How many are left? So let's use our circle drawings to represent those ducks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 jump in. So we're going to strike through 1, 2, 3. And this tells us how many are left. Now let's write a math equation that matches our story. 5 ducks, and they jumped in, they're going away, so we're going to use our subtraction symbol. And 3 jump in, and that equals 1, 2. And 2 what? 2 ducks. So by using the drawing and writing the math equation, this proves our thinking and how we came up with a solution to ducks. So boys and girls, you're going to have the opportunity today to work through some addition and subtraction story problems in your workbook. On page 95, you're going to be looking at a situation where you have some and you're getting some more, but then you're going to also have a situation where you have some that are leaving. So in this top one, it's an addition story problem. And then number 2 is a subtraction story problem. While you're working these out, don't forget to use your circle drawings and model the problems as you're working them out. See you in a minute to work through them.